This is our house exhaust fan, the only one that we have. So it has a switch that's powered, and it's like still fan the motor, but 4 blades, has this cover, and I don't think it has any way that it goes out. I think it just goes in the wall. Maybe it has a chimney or something, and I'll turn it off. On the exhaust fan on the outside, it's kind of like the laptop. On the wall, and there's a flap on the outside, but I think there might be a little chimney that sucks the air out, and I'll turn it on. Needs to be oiled a little bit. The grill is bent on it, you can see.